Hello, friends. Welcome to your Mystic Moments this week. So I have a question for you. What's your relationship to darkness? Winter is a time when the sun sets a lot earlier, when the days are shorter, and therefore darkness is a larger part of our lives on that level. Oftentimes when we look at darkness or use darkness in our language when it comes to our spiritual journeys, oftentimes it's positioned as being a time where we're not enjoying light. Sometimes we can say, I really moved through a dark night on that. It was confusing. It was uncomfortable. It was filled with pain. I didn't know where I stood. I didn't have the understanding of what to do with myself. Do you look at darkness that way? Or do you have a different relationship with darkness? This season, this time, whether you look at it from a spiritual standpoint, from a physical standpoint, from a combination of both, gives us the opportunity to have an inquiry around our relationship to darkness and an open question. Could darkness be an experience that is new? I was having a discussion with someone earlier today, and the idea of abiding in joyful expectation in the unknown came about, and it was very light-filled. But look at the paradox there. So the statement itself produced a kind of light within both of us, joyful expectation in the unknown. And the light-filledness was in the context of what is oftentimes described as dark. When something's unknown, it can be a sense of being in the dark about it. So how might you look a little more deeply this week and discover some new way that darkness can be life-giving? Or recognize that the concept of darkness doesn't feel life-giving and pose some new questions around it. If it's not feeling life-giving, then what is my relationship to it in a way that can change so that it is life-giving? If everything is grace, which we play with, then there must be some way that even the concept of darkness as light. John of the Cross, in a lot of his poetry, comes to that conclusion that the darker the way, the more light-filled and certain the path. We have the chance to explore that this week. I'm intending to explore it. I hope you will as well.